Spokane police officer Karl Thompson is ready to take the stand in his own defense and explain to the jury why he's not guilty of violating Otto Zehm's civil rights. Good evening, everyone. I'm Mike Gonzalez.
And I'm Nadine Woodward. The 64-year-old will be called as the defense's final witness tomorrow morning and wrap up 2 weeks of dramatic testimony in federal court. Well, despite eyewitness accounts and damaging surveillance video, some legal experts are predicting that Thompson will be acquitted. KXLY4's Jeff Humphrey explains why.
In the coming days, the United States has to overcome a great burden of proof in order to convict Karl Thompson. Prosecutors have to show that Officer Thompson willfully and intentionally violated Otto Zehm's civil rights, and getting 12 people to agree on that may be very difficult. If Karl Thompson was only accused of being a hard-charging cop, then this surveillance video would make the case a slam dunk for prosecutors. However, the United States has to prove that Thompson willfully set out to violate Otto Zehm's civil rights.
The real force of this defense is that if there are injuries to the head, they were not done intentionally or willfully, but during a time that Officer Thompson was trying to detain Mr. Zehm and he was facing resistance.
While Thompson's jury has spent the past 2 weeks listening to damning expert testimony, they'll soon be getting instructions about how to apply the law to the facts they've heard in the case. After looking at the instructions proposed by the defense, attorney Chris Bugbee thinks prosecutors are fighting an uphill battle.
When the jurors consider whether Officer Thompson acted willfully and against Mr. Zehm's civil rights, they have to look at the totality of the circumstances as they were known to Officer Thompson at that time.
A good example of an officer willfully violating someone's civil rights would be if a policeman went up to one of these Occupy Spokane protesters and threatened to club them if they didn't put down their sign. In Thompson's case, the jury must decide if Thompson even had time to form intent.
I mean, I know there's a lot of sentiment that maybe this is a slam dunk case, but given the way the law reads, I don't see it that way.
Bugbee says regardless of the verdict, he hopes Spokane residents will respect it.
That's what our jury system is about. It's not putting it in the hands of a prosecutor. It's not putting it in the hands of law enforcement. Our constitutions say, hey, we're going to let normal citizens decide these issues that are just paramount to our communities.
Prosecutors have their own set of proposed instructions that tell the jury that Officer Thompson shouldn't have used any force against Otto Zehm unless he felt that his safety was threatened. But there are far more instructions that clearly benefit the defendant in this case. If you'd like to read them, we have them posted on KXLY.com. Reporting downtown, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.